Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, tignan natin ang inyong current situation, no? Ano kayang meron right now sa mga fire signs natin dyan, no? So, let's see anong meron para sa mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? Tignan natin, please. Universe, please, anong meron? Holy Spirit, para sa ating mga fire signs, please. Anong meron sa current situation ng ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Anong meron? No? So, parang walang lumalabas dito, no? So, tignan nga natin. Maybe ay etong isa, no? Wala akong nararamdaman doon. So, tignan natin. Universe, please. Current situation ng ating mga fire signs. Current situation ng ating mga fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Current situation, no? Ng ating mga fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag. No? So, maybe this is a love reading, no? So, dito may lumabas. Let's tignan natin. What else? Kuha muna tayo ng card. For the fire signs, please. Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Universe, Holy Spirit. Para sa ating mga fire sign. So, meron pa bang nag-flip? So, lako. Nagkagulo-gulo na yung mga cards ng ating mga fire sign, no? So, but anyway, wala na yung lumabas, 4. So, ubusin ko lang to, no? So, what else para sa ating mga fire signs, please, Universe? Current situation ng fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Current situation. So, wala na. So, tignan natin, ano yan? Para sa mga fire sign, you have forming structure, solid foundation, close up, guarded, resistance. So, ano yan? You have this karma, balance, justice, no? So, and then integration, union, no? So, Aries, no? So, ewan ko ba't nabanggit ko yung Aries, no? So, yeah. For some of you, fire sign, no? You are building something, no? For some of you, with this solid foundation, no? Meron kayong mga sinisimulan right now, no? Meron kayong mga bagong ginagawa, no? For some of you, whatever it is, career man, job, or businessman, no? Meron kayong mga sinisimulan, no? And then, for me, ay maganda yung magiging result nito, ay magiging solid to, no? Solid foundation solid foundation yung nabibuild nyo, something like that. Maganda yung magiging resulta nito, no? Fire sign for you. And then you have this close up, guarded, no? Resistance, no? For some of you, medyo aloof kayo right now, no? Mga fire sign, no? Maybe ay nadumi-distansya muna kayo for some people, no? Friends, or maybe relatives din, or family members, no? Parang mas gusto nyo ay mapag-isa lang muna kayo, or yung ayaw nyo muna ng makihalubilo, no? Something like that, no? You are, kumbaga, you are in self-reflection, no? Something like that, no? Mas kinikilala nyo muna yung sarili nyo right now, no? For some of you, fire sign. And then, with this karma and balance, no? Balance, no? For some of you, fire sign, no? Meron dito na I think is soon, no? Siguro magiging balance na kayo, or binabalance nyo, no? So, for some of you, no? And then, I think for some of you, kung ano man tong mga hinihintay nyong resulta, legally man ito, no? For you, I think fire sign ay makakamit nyo yung justice, no? Kung ano man itong hinihintay nyo, something legal matters, no? For some of you na may dinidinig sa court, no? Something like that, no? Yeah, kung mga naagrabyado kayo, something like that, no? For sure ay mananalo kayo. Makukuha niyo yung justice, no? For you. At magiging balance na rin because justice will be served. And karma also will be served dun sa mga taong hindi gumawa ng maganda. Right? And then, for some of you, is merong union na mangyayari, no? So, yeah, maybe ang union is, yeah, makikita mo literally two couple dito, no? So, there is a union, no? So, take what's resonate lang. Maybe may nagkahiwalay kayo ng person mo from the past and then magbabalik and then may reunion na may union, no? May pag-iisa ulit na mangyayari rito or union, no? I think union is magkakaroon ng pagkakaisa, no? Something like that, no? Kasi hindi naman pala reunion, eh. Kumbaga, union lang siya. So, being one, no? So, merong pagkakasundo, may magkakasundo rito, kumbaga, magkakaisa, something like that, no? So, maybe, pwedeng hindi rin naman to being as couple, no? Pwedeng sa business, magkakaisa na kayo, matatapos na yung mga problema, magkakasundo na, something like that, no? Or kung sa job man ay yeah, 'di ba? Magkakaroon na rin ng peace, no? Something like that. Or overall is for you fire sign is magkakaroon na kayo ng peace of mind because people around you ay magkakaroon ng pagkakaisa, no? Something like that. Wala nang mga kaguluhan, no? Because nga justice will be served, no, for some of you, no? And then what else, no? Para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. What else para sa ating mga fire signs? Please, universe, what else? Para sa ating mga fire signs, may isa nang tumalon na card. So, kuha pa tayo kung meron pang lalabas. So, isa lang yung umano, no? So, tignan natin ano yan. Ano yung card for you na tumalon pa? So, you have this, no, pasad beliefs, no? So, for some of you, no, so maybe, ito yung naging problem nyo, no? At yung nagiging conflict for some of you, no? Kaya hindi nagkakasundo. May hindi nagiging totoo. May conflict regarding sa mga pinaniniwalaan nyo, belief system, no? Kung ano man itong mga pinaniniwalaan nyo, ay iba naman ang paniniwala ng isa sa inyo, no? Something like that, no? That's why there is conflict, no? So, maybe, matatapos na rin itong conflict na to, no? For some of you, dahil justice will be served and union will be soon, no? Will integrate, no? Something like that. Will ano, no? Pursue or ano bang pwedeng term dito? Basta union is going to happen, no? For some of you, fire sign, may pagkakaisa ng mangyayari dito, no? Pagkakasundo, pagkakaisa, something like that, no? So, let's see what else, no? Tignan pa natin para sa mga fire sign. What else, please? Para sa mga fire sign. I don't know kung regarding ba talaga ito sa inyong relationship, itong union na ito, no? So, what else, no? Please, para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, please, universe, what else? Para sa mga fire signs natin, no? Ano pang meron para sa mga fire signs? Please, universe, Holy Spirit, what else? Ano pang meron para sa mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, you have 4 cards na. So, tingnan pa natin kung meron pa. So, wala na. So, yeah, tignan natin yung cards nyo, fire signs. So, ano tong mga lumabas? Let's see. So, you have this, no? Storm, turmoils coming ahead, no? So, ano pa to? Romance, feelings. So, yeah, may paparating, no? So, ano ito? And then, ex-lover, no? Old spark, no? So, yeah, may bigla ang paparating talaga pala rito, mga fire sign, no? So, at what else? non-committal, independent, no? So, yeah, no? Maybe with the storm, no? Turmoils coming ahead, no? So, I think this storm is, merong paparating, no? Someone from the past who is your ex-lover, no? Who wants to ignite the spark again, no? Rekindle the spark, no? Something like that, no? Old spark, no? So, may rose dito, no? So, paparating tong ex-lover na ito, no? For some of you, fire sign, no? So, romance feeling because mahal pa rin niya pala kayo, na-realize nitong tao na ito, no? Something like that, no? So, maybe that's why may union na mangyayari, no? But then, hindi kasi reunion, dapat reunion, right? But then, union, eh. So, tignan pa natin what else, no? So, you have this, maybe this person is the person from the past, no? Your ex-lover or maybe, ex-lover kasi ito is before hindi siya committal na person, no? Non-committal, no? So, hindi siya maano sa commitment, no? But then, siguro may na-realize siya and then, romance feelings, no? So, na-realize niya na mahal ka pala talaga niya, fire sign. That's why he or she wants to come back, no? For you, no? Like a storm, no? Bigla tong darating, no? Bigla siyang darating siguro with the turmoil coming ahead kasi nga for you ay baka hindi maganda yung before na naging samahan nyo ng person na ito, no? That's why. So, ikaw lang din makakaalam nito, fire sign, no? Kung ano to, no? Kung ano man nagawa nitong ex-lover mo na ito sa iyo, no? Because I think ay nagbigay siya sa iyo ng problema before, no? And then, ngayon magbabalik siya, no? So kung magbabalik man itong tao na to, make sure na maging aware ka sa intention niya, no? Something like that. Because with the turmoils coming ahead, maybe there is something being hidden or something is, yun nga, may dahilan, no? That's why, bakit siya babalik? So, alamin mo munang mabuti, no? Fire sign. Bakit magbabalik itong tao na ito, no? For some of you, no? Who is your ex-lover, no? Kung nagbigay sa iyo to ng problema dati, no? Siguraduhin mo muna before accepting again this person, no? Kung mahal mo pa ba naman ito, kung may pagmamahal ka pa sa kanya, no? Something like that, no? So, kasi maybe ito yun nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict dahil iba kayo ng paniniwala, no? Something like that, no? Diba? That's why siguro kung ano pa nagawa niya sa iyo, kaya nga you are guarded right now, diba? And you are focusing on your stability with this, no? Fire sign, no? So, biglang darating to, iistorbohin ka na naman, no? While you are being forming your new beginning, no? And you are really hoping for the justice, no? But then, biglang darating tong ex-lover ay manggugulo, maybe. Or tignan nyo muna mabuti anong intention nitong tao na to, right? No? So, tignan nga natin ano bang talagang intention ng tao na ito for you, mga fire sign, no? Tignan natin mga gusto niyang sabihin sa iyo, no? Ng tao na ito. So, I will wait for a sign from you, no? So, maybe wala pa kayong pag-uusap nito, no? Kasi nga, hindi pa siya talaga totally dumadating, no? So, I can't stop thinking of you, no? So, iniisip ka niya lagi. So, what else, please? For the fire signs, what else? Para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? Ano pang message for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, ng kanilang ex-lover, please, na gustong bumalik, na may planong magbalik sa ating mga fire signs, please, universe, no? Talagang may plano siyang bumalik, no? Nang biglaan to eh. So, what else, please? Message for the fire sign, no? Daming lumabas. no? Bigla ang darating to mga fire sign, kaya be ready, no? So, but then, because I will wait for a sign from you, no? Maybe ay may hinihintay lang siya at I think this person is spying on you, you know? Kasi I think ay alam niya yung mga nangyayari sa iyo, no? For some of you. So, what else, please? Universe, Holy Spirit, para sa ating mga fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag, no? May tumalon na, dalawa na. So, tignan pa natin kung may ilalabas ka. So, wala na. You have 2 cards na tumalon. Tignan natin yan. So, ano pa ito? So, we will be together again, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, talagang ito yung goal niya. Bumalik siya at maging kayo ulit, no? And then, I hid who I really am I hid who I really am from, you know? I hid who I really am. Other word, kumaga, ay tinago niya talaga, no? So, yeah, ito nga, no? Dahil nga may pagkakaiba kayo, no? So, yun, siguro before, hindi niya sinasabi talaga kung sino siya, no? Nagpapanggap siya before, something like that. May mga na-discover ka regarding sa kanyang pagkatao, no? Na-discover mo, no? So, siguro may pagsisisi siya, no? Na may mga itinago siya tungkol sa kanyang sarili, no? Something like that, no? So, what then, yun nga, no? Talagang gusto niyang bumalik and to be with you again, no? So, we will be together again. So, it's up to you, no, mga fire sign, kung tatanggapin mo pa itong tao na ito, no? So, kung ano man yung ginawa niya, I don't know, no, for some of you, because justice is here, no? So, maybe hindi talaga kayo balance before dahil magkaiba kayo, no? So, may nagkakasakitan kayo, kung ano man itong mga nangyayari sa inyo before, no? Kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, fire sign, no? But then, ito nga ay talagang with the storm, biglaan tong babalik, no? Fire sign, no? So, and ang goal niya is to be with you again, no? Gusto niya talaga ay magkabalikan kayong dalawa, fire sign, no? This person. So, tignan natin anong advice for you or message ni universe for you, fire sign, regarding this situation, no? Dito sa person na ito, no? So, tignan natin. Advice or message for you, fire signs, ni universe, please. Advice nyo po or message for the fire sign regarding their situation, please. What's the advice for the fire signs? So, meron ng isa. So, yan, no? Parang maganda yung advice, no? So, you have this, love is in the air, no? So, I think, sinasabi dito ni universe, ang message sa'yo ni universe is, fire sign, is, with the love is in the air, is literally, is this person is really loves you a lot, no? So, maybe na-realize niya talaga na mahal ka niya at ayaw kanyang mawala sa kanya. Something like that, no? So, gusto niyang magbalik, no? So, it's up to you, no? Fire sign, no? So, parang sinasabi lang dito sa ni universe is, you still have the free will, no? Syempre, kung nasaktan ka na talaga ng person na ito, no? But then, this is a confirmation lang from the universe that that person, that ex-lover who wants to come back and to be with you again is really loves you. With the lots of hearts here, no? So, right now, siguro ay na-realize niya how he or she really loves you, no? That's why, and maybe, kung magbabalik ito, ay pakinggan mo kung ano yung mga sasabihin niya, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa iyo ni universe. But then, ikaw pa rin ang may decision nito, no? So, sinasabi lang naman dito ni universe na mahal ka nung tao, no? Something like that. But then, maybe you both two love each other, no? So, but then, I think you are pursuing your new beginning na, no? Fire sign. So, it's up to you kung tatanggapin mo pa rin tong person na ito. pwedeng hindi, pwede namang tanggapin mo rin. That's why, no? So, yeah. That's it for you, fire sign, no? I hope naka-resonate kayo sa reading natin today, mga fire signs ko dyan, no? So, kung makikita nyo is, ginaguide naman kayo dito ni universe, right? Ng God natin. So, kung ano man maging decision mo, ay universe is with you, right? No? So, whatever you are planning, God is with you, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, fire sign, no? So, always pray lang and have guidance na rin, no? Seek guidance kapag medyo hindi mo alam ang gagawin. And for sure, God will answer you, no? So, yeah, that's it for you again, no? So, thank you for watching, fire signs.